Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Lexar BLAZE SL660 Gaming Portable SSD. The Lexar BLAZE SL660 is a portable gaming SSD designed for gamers and content creators on the go. That uses the latest USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 interface that can support speeds of up to 20 gigabytes per second. This SSD offers ultra-fast read speeds of up to 2000 megabytes per second and a write speed of up to 1900 megabytes per second. It's perfect for transferring large files including 4K video, high-resolution photos, games, films, and of course music and data backup. The SSD is housed in an aluminum case that's compact and lightweight, weighing in at only 80 grams. It also comes with some Rgb lighting, which enables the gamer to immerse in that gameplay. One thing I have to tell you is that the USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface is not available on all laptops and motherboards. If it does have it, then of course is only the front USB that supports the USB 3.2 Gen 2x2. For that you need a special cable, which is the Type E, which is not usually included in the motherboards. To solve this, we ordered a special cable, which is the USB Type E to USB Type C, and one end goes to the motherboard and the other end of course connects up to the SSD. So we'll be doing a quick test and see how it performs, and before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Let's do a quick unboxing of the Lexar BLAZE gaming portable SSD. This is the SL660 model and has 1 terabyte capacity and read speed of up to 2000 megabytes per second and a write speed of 1900 megabytes per second. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Okay. And let's have a look inside. Here we go. Alright, so here we have the quick start guide with warranty information, and then here we have the SSD itself. Nice portable SSD. We'll take a look at that in a sec, and let's have a look at the accessories first. Alright, here we go. Inside this box we're going to be seeing a pouch. Yes, a nice carry pouch, kind of strap there. Let's take a look. Alright, inside we have the USB-A to USB-C connector. Obviously the USB-C connector goes to the drive itself, and then USB-A goes to your motherboard or your laptop. We also have a USB to USB-C, which is what I'll be using. And also inside the pouch you'll have the SSD stand, which you can then kind of put that on your desktop, and it will look pretty cool. So this then will connect up like this, or of course you prefer like this, up to you entirely. Just kind of like just holds it there, quite nice. Alright, okay, so these are the bits inside the accessories. So we'll take a look at the drive itself. It's a nice compact portable gaming SSD. This model has 1 terabyte capacity, and you can see the LED kind of feature right here that lights up when you plug in the SSD. Nothing at the back really, but it has a nice kind of matte feel to it, but it has a kind of aluminium casing, which is helps with a bit of cooling as well. So as you can see, I have a USB cable there, USB-C, and that connects up right here, and the other end goes to the computer or laptop, of course. Yeah, very nice, compact and lightweight, and this is great for content creators or gamers on the go. Wants a nice compact SSD to carry around with them. We'll be testing this on our system, which uses the USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 interface, which is the newer type, and we'll see how it performs. Alright, so this is a quick unboxing of the Lexar BLAZE SL660 Gaming Portable SSD. This is one fast external SSD, let me tell you. It's perfect for the gamer and content creator on the go who needs a compact, portable and lightweight external SSD that offers fast read and write speeds. And the Lexar SL660 BLAZE Gaming Portable 1TB SSD gives you all that and more. This palm-sized external SSD is compact and only weighs 80 grams, making it extremely lightweight and portable. The aluminum casing helps with the cooling and has a sandblasted finish which feels good on the hand and adds protection against shocks and vibrations. Other features include the Rgb lighting. The Rgb LEDs create a lively atmosphere, making your gameplay more dynamic and adds a touch of colour to your gaming setup. I also like the included stand, which allows you to place the SSD vertically on your desk for easy access. During our crystal mark tests, it produced a super fast read speed of 2012 megabytes per second and an impressive write speed of 1848 megabytes per second. That's actually faster than some of my older M.2 SSDs, which I bought last year. The Lexar SL660 BLAZE is one of the fastest external portable SSD that I've tested to date. It also comes with Rgb lighting and a sandblasted aluminum casing for cooling. Plus it offers super fast read-write speeds provided that your laptop or PC can fully support the USB 3.2 Gen2x2 20 gigabits interface. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Lexar BLAZE SL660 gaming portable SSD. It offers amazing transfer speeds for a portable device, and of course it comes with Rgb lighting. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.